Hi, I'm Dan with Williams Toyota Lift, and today we're going to be doing a walk around on this brand new Toyota reach truck, model number RF1BH1X45. This unit has a base capacity of 4,500 pounds and is powered by a 36-volt battery. Moving forward to the mast, we have a 3-stage mast with pre-lift, max lift height of 211 inches. It is a single reach pantograph. It has a 37-inch inner diameter. It comes standard with 42-inch standard tapered forks and integral side shift. Now let's move on to the operator compartment. As you can see, very spacious. You have your till, you have your joystick with all the features you could ever want on it. It is side stance. It comes with an amber strobe, top mounted, operator fan for those hot days, and an LCD screen. This is also equipped with a height tilt indicator. So what that means is, whenever you lift up, you go past free lift, and then it will display on the screen how high you're going. And it will also display if your forks are tilted or not. All right. So if you have any questions or would like to set up a demo on this unit, feel free to give us a call at 800-435-2449 and visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day.